500 hours every minute. 30,000 hours every hour. 7,20,000 hours every single day.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
I'm not seriously a topic. Thank you so much for stopping by. This thanks have another reason too, which I'll be just telling later in this video. So please keep waiting and watch the video full. It's me RMJ and you are watching Life of RMJ. So here is all that you can find in this video. I'm gonna just divide this video into 5 simple parts. Number 1. A short introduction about me. Number 2. The secret why I named the channel as Life of RMJ. Number 3 is why I started my channel. Number 4 is what you can just expect from my channel. And number 5 is how you could help me. Now with these 5 things in mind, let's dive into the first part. So a short introduction about me. You can just call me RMJ and I am a 3rd year dental student from South India, and in the later vlogs and videos I'll be just telling more about me. So moving on to the next part, why I started my channel. The reply to this is also another question, why don't I? Like many, I am also very fond of video making, vlogging and kind of stuff, but the reason why I have been not uploading videos or starting in YouTube was that I was just thinking like any other successful YouTubers like were thinking when they started or when they were not starting YouTube at that time, just thinking that what the others might think. But I realized that yeah, that is a rubbish thought and yes, I need to overcome this. And so I have started my channel to just prove that yeah, I know this kind of things, I know editing a bit, and yeah, I could just do my videos that are related to study with me. I can do study challenges, so for that I need a platform. And yes, I have selected YouTube for that, and that's the reason why I have started my channel. Do you remember telling these? 500 hours, 30,000 hours and 7,20,000 hours. What they mean? The answers are with me. These are the approximate figure of videos that are getting uploaded on YouTube on a daily basis. That is every minute, every hour and every single day respectively. So that's the reason why I've been just thanking you, because on an overall sum up, the 3 billion videos are uploaded on YouTube on a daily basis. And that's why I just thank you a lot, because you have selected my video from among that 3 billion. So thank you so much once again. Third part, the secret behind my channel's name. Actually, it's not a secret. Just because numerous name images coming onto my mind while I was thinking and rethinking, seriously, I got lost in thoughts. And at last I came into a conclusion that yes, I'm starting a YouTube, right? I'm gonna just uploading videos. And what are these videos about? Yeah, certainly these videos are my creations based on ideas and principles or whatever that I am having. Being a content creator, it is my duty to convert these ideas or the principles within me into multiple video creations. So like any other creator, I am therefore giving life to my ideas of creation, hence the name as Life of RMG. Number 4 is what you can expect from my channel. It is funny to say that I'm not a typical politician who gives these so-called never happening promises. I'm just a small student who is struggling hard to achieve the so-called wonder letters in front of my name. So kindly stay in touch and support my channel. I will reach you with quality videos which is consistent and based on the following: study with me, study challenges, productivity principles, motivation to study, facts about registry, note-taking methods, unboxing kind of stuff, then day in my life videos, daily life routines, gardening, college vibes, etc. Next part is that how you can just help me. It is pretty simple. Have you seen that rectangular red button at the right hand side of your video? I mean this video. Yeah, just give a hit on it so that you would see 3 wonderful magics happening. One is 2 beautiful letters got added at the end. The 2 is red has turned shiny grey. And the final and the most important part is that you have become a part of my community. So be a part of my community by supporting me in my works. And that's for today's video. And also for today's video, please hit that like button so that it motivates me a lot. So it's me RMJ signing off, and we'll be back on a new day with a new video about a new topic. Until next time, stay safe, stay happy and stay healthy. Thank you.